Pakinggan mo to. Kung feeling mo less than ka, number 1, you are not a joke. Hindi ka biro, hindi ka extra sa kwento ng mundo. You are fully known and deeply loved. Psalm 139 verse 1. You have searched me, Lord, and you know me. Number 2, you are not an accident. May dahilan kung bakit ka nabubuhay ngayon. Hindi ka na late o napaaga. You were planned with purpose. Psalm 139 verse 13. You created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. Number 3, you are God's masterpiece. Hindi lang basta ginawa, lovingly made by the Creator. You are carefully crafted in His image. Psalm 139 verse 14. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Huwag mong hayaang ma-define ka ng opinions ng iba. Si God ang gumawa sa'yo at hindi siya nagkakamali.